So recently we had this power surge that took out, you can see this here is a recliner. It no longer works because of this power surge. Our power adapters got ruined by that. So I went out and got this one here, and this one's really cool. Let me show you why. All right, this actually comes with the power adapter box here. Just plugs directly into the wall. So this is a 2-pin. One is flat, one is round. You can see that right there. This just easily plugs right in like so. Closes down. The really cool part about this one is one adapter box could actually plug in 2 different recliners at the same time. So it just splits off into 2 different pieces right here. I do the same thing. Just going to plug in, clasp down, take my next one, plug it in. Plug that into the wall. You see the green light comes on. Another nice thing about this is it has this really nice long cord. And all this can be tucked away underneath your recliner. And you have very little out in the actual room. You can see it once again works. And this chair here hasn't been working. Once again, works off of that single power adapter. And this one, just like the other side, just very easily plugs right in, snap down. And this one has just the box here with the prongs built right in. And this one just plugs right into the wall. See the green light on, it is working. And as you can see here, it now works once again.